Now, as per the British Health Secretary, the Omicron variant is in retreat. In light of this, the government has decided to drop the restrictive measures that it had introduced under its Plan B from next week. Now, Prime Minister Boris Johnson further reiterated this, saying that the government would drop its work from home advisory and that England was going back to its Plan B, also emphasizing how the collective effort of the people and booster doses had helped the country tame the surge of the Omicron variant.
The Cabinet concluded that because of the extraordinary booster campaign, together with the way the public have responded to the Plan B measures, we can return to Plan A in England and allow Plan B regulations to expire. As a result, from the start of Thursday next week, mandatory certification will end.
Another big move here is to end the legal requirement for people who have tested positive to self-isolate. This will now be reduced to advice and guidance as per the British Health Secretary. The government will be laying out in spring its long-term plan for living with COVID.
The steps that we've announced today represent a major milestone. But it's not the end of the road. And we shouldn't see this as the finish line, because we cannot eradicate this virus and its future variants. Instead, we must learn to live with COVID in the same way that we've learned to live with flu, and we'll be setting out our long-term plan for living with COVID-19 this spring. We must stay vigilant and be mindful that there could be bumps in the road ahead.
However, in light of the latest Partygate scandal that the Prime Minister finds himself in, there have been concerns that this move may be rushed and a ruse of the Prime Minister to distract attention from the string of scandals. Despite a drop in cases since December last year, cases remain higher than they were the previous winter. Hospitals in northern England continue to remain under pressure. So even though there is a drop in cases, caution is urged.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.